Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check all your reviews on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Facebook app on your phone and then tap on three lines on the bottom right corner to head over to the menu, and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way and you'll have to tap on activity log, and after that you'll have to tap on your Facebook activity and then tap on manage posts, and then you'll have to tap on filters on the top left corner and then tap on categories, and after that you'll have to tap on reviews just below live videos you have watched. Now, right on this page, you'll be able to find all the reviews of your Facebook account that you've done. I haven't got any review in this section. In your case, it may be different. So you'll be able also be able to find the review with the date that you posted it. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,